Shocking earnings, more than you think. When you think of YouTube, one of the first names that probably comes to mind is MrBeast. Known for his extravagant stunts and jaw-dropping giveaways, MrBeast has become a household name. But what might surprise you even more is just how much he earns from his YouTube empire. MrBeast, the king of YouTube stunts, is rumored to earn over $10 million every single month. Yes, you heard that right, $10 million every month. This staggering figure is a combination of ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. His videos, which often feature him giving away large sums of money or performing outrageous challenges, attract millions of views, making him one of the highest-earning content creators on the platform. That's more than most people make in a lifetime. To put it into perspective, the average person might spend their entire working life trying to accumulate a fraction of what MrBeast makes in just 1 month. This incredible earning power has allowed him to fund even more elaborate videos, creating a cycle of success that seems unstoppable. With his crazy challenges and insane giveaways, it's no wonder everyone's curious about his wealth. From giving away houses and cars to hosting massive cash prize competitions, MrBeast's generosity is as legendary as his earnings. His philanthropic efforts have not only garnered him a massive following, but have also raised questions about the sustainability and sources of his income. But how much of that is true? Let's dive in. While the numbers are impressive, it's essential to understand the various revenue streams that contribute to his fortune. Ad revenue from YouTube is just one piece of the puzzle. Sponsorship deals with major brands, sales from his merchandise line, and even investments in other ventures all play a role in his financial success. By examining these different income sources, we can get a clearer picture of just how MrBeast manages to pull in such astronomical figures. So, stay tuned as we break down the financial empire of one of YouTube's biggest stars. YouTube riches? Not the whole story. Many believe YouTube ad revenue is MrBeast's goldmine. It's easy to see why people think this way. With millions of views on each video, the ad revenue can certainly add up. But is it really the main source of his wealth? While it's a significant chunk, it's not the whole picture. In fact, relying solely on YouTube ad revenue can be quite risky. The platform's algorithm changes frequently and ad rates can fluctuate. So, what else is contributing to his fortune? Imagine relying solely on YouTube ads. You'd need billions of views to reach those rumored earnings. For most creators, this is an unattainable goal. Even with a high number of views, the revenue from ads alone might not be enough to sustain a lavish lifestyle or fund large-scale projects. MrBeast is smart. He's diversified his income streams like a boss. He understands the importance of not putting all his eggs in one basket. Besides ad revenue, he has multiple other sources of income. Let's break them down. First, there's merchandise. MrBeast has a wide range of products from clothing to accessories that his fans eagerly buy. This not only brings in significant revenue but also strengthens his brand. Then there's MrBeast Burger, a virtual restaurant chain that has taken the food industry by storm. By partnering with existing restaurants, he's able to reach a wide audience without the overhead costs of traditional brick-and-mortar establishments. Collaborations and sponsorships are another major revenue stream. By teaming up with other popular YouTubers and brands, MrBeast can tap into new audiences and secure lucrative deals. These partnerships often involve product placements, sponsored content, and even large-scale events. Additionally, his philanthropic efforts, while primarily aimed at giving back, also help to boost his public image and attract more viewers and sponsors. Diversification doesn't stop there. MrBeast has multiple YouTube channels, each catering to different interests. From gaming to reactions to philanthropy, these channels not only provide additional ad revenue, but also allow him to reach a broader audience. Each channel has its own unique content and fan base, further solidifying his presence on the platform. Beyond YouTube, MrBeast has a strong presence on other social media platforms. This helps him to engage with his audience on a more personal level and promote his various ventures. He also has a website and an app, which serve as hubs for all things MrBeast. Here, fans can find exclusive content, shop for merchandise, and stay updated on his latest projects. It's important to note that MrBeast's success isn't just a one-man show. He has a dedicated team working behind the scenes, helping to produce high-quality content, manage business operations, and explore new opportunities. This collaborative effort is a key factor in his ability to scale his brand and maintain a consistent output of engaging content. Ultimately, MrBeast's wealth and success are the result of a well-rounded strategy that goes beyond just YouTube ad revenue. By diversifying his income streams, building a strong brand, and engaging with his audience, he's created a sustainable and thriving empire. So the next time you hear about YouTube riches, remember that there's often much more to the story. Beyond ads, sponsors love MrBeast. Brands love MrBeast's massive audience and engaging content. They throw money at him for integrations and sponsorships. Imagine Honey, the discount app, featured in a MrBeast challenge. That's exposure to millions. These deals are where the real money's at. Merch madness, Beast branded everything. Ever wanted a MrBeast hoodie or a Feastables chocolate bar? MrBeast's merch game is strong. Fans love repping his brand, and it's a consistent moneymaker. Think about it. Thousands of hoodies sold at $30 a pop add up fast. Section 5. The big reveal, how much does he make? Recent estimates suggest MrBeast's empire brings in between $3 to $5 million per month from YouTube alone. Factor in sponsorships and merch, and that rumored $10 million figure doesn't seem so far-fetched, but it's not just about the money. Section 6. The master plan, giving away to get ahead. MrBeast's genius lies in his generosity. He understands that giving away money attracts viewers and creates viral content. More views mean more ad revenue, sponsorships, and merch sales. It's a cycle of giving that keeps on giving back. Section 7. Beyond the money, MrBeast's impact. MrBeast's influence extends beyond his bank account. He's inspiring a new generation of content creators and proving that kindness can be profitable. He's using his platform to make a real difference, and that's something truly valuable. Section 8. Keep exploring. The Beast's world awaits. MrBeast's story is a testament to creativity, hard work, and the power of giving back. From humble beginnings, Jimmy Donaldson, better known as MrBeast, has transformed the landscape of YouTube with his larger-than-life challenges and philanthropic endeavors. His journey is not just about making videos, it's about making a difference. It's a wild ride of expensive videos, heartwarming moments, and incredible business savvy. Each video is meticulously planned and executed, often involving months of preparation and a dedicated team working behind the scenes. Whether it's giving away thousands of dollars to strangers or creating the world's largest pizza, MrBeast's content is always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Want to see how he spends his millions? From buying entire stores to giving away houses, MrBeast's spending is as extravagant as it is generous. His videos often feature jaw-dropping amounts of money being used in the most creative ways imaginable, all while maintaining a focus on helping others and spreading positivity. Check out his channel and prepare to be amazed. With over 100 million subscribers and billions of views, MrBeast's channel is a treasure trove of entertainment and inspiration. Each video is a testament to his relentless pursuit of excellence and his unwavering commitment to giving back to the community. So dive into the world of MrBeast and discover the magic that awaits.